Hi everyone, welcome to week 4 of EDOL 595. This week we're going to be looking at chapters 7 and chapter 8. These chapters focus on character-based discipline as well as teaching our students manners. And if you work with students in today's classrooms, you can see that some students come from very structured homes that definitely have character-based discipline, and some students also come from homes where parents really instill terrific manners in their children. And then the opposite is also true. And that's why it's important when we are interacting with our students that we want to make sure that we are role modeling how we would like to be treated and also teaching our students how to treat us as our educators and the leaders, and then also treating each other as students in the community. So these are two topics that I really enjoyed reading about. I did a quick summary for you also in the announcements that you're welcome to read. And I really liked how the character-based discipline talked about what are your actions as the teacher doing and what are you teaching the student through your actions. And then what is it the student's doing in order to redeem themselves, and what is the restitution that they're paying basically to the community for what they've done wrong. And then going into teaching the manners, I really loved how it went into greeting students, teaching students to say a greeting back to you. When I first started teaching, Harry Wong really emphasized building relationships with your students and being respectful. So that was something that I've always carried with me for the last 16 years of my career. And I really enjoyed reading about it again and seeing that this is something that's at the forefront of education again, because I think that it's incredibly important. This week we start our ethical leadership papers are going to be turned in, so make sure that you're looking for summary postings. There's going to be 3 going up this week on 3 different ethical leaders. And so you need to respond. You don't have to respond to all of them, but you do need to respond, and you need to have 2 different responses. One being, a statement that's reflective of critical thinking and has detail, and then also posing a question that would allow the author to think about who they did their paper on or a point that they made. So you need to do that. We also have our regular ethical dilemma that you need to do, and then we have our readings for the week. So I'm really looking forward to your assignments. So the week that you're assigned, that's the week you turn in your paper to me, or your email your assignment in, and then that's when you also put in your summary on the discussion board. It doesn't have to all be this coming week. It's the week that it's due for you. So again, I'm really looking forward to reading all of these. You've selected a wide variety of people, from Rick Warren to Oprah Winfrey. Some people said Abe Lincoln. So I think that we're all going to learn a lot from the different people that are going to be studied, and I always enjoy reading biographies anyhow, so reading these research papers is going to be very interesting for me also. If you have any questions, I love that you're emailing me. I do have my Gmail email as well, but I will be checking the Concordia email because I see a lot of you are continuing to email there, and that's fine. And if I don't get back to you, if you could email me again, I really try to get back to everyone. Sometimes I get so many emails, though, that I can't get back to right away, but I'm certainly trying to, because I know you have questions. And you're also welcome to call me. My home phone number is listed, and sometimes if you have a question, the best way to get your answers to talk it out, because sometimes in an email you feel like it's back and forth, and I don't want you to feel like that. I want you to feel very connected to the class and to me, and that I can answer any questions that you have. So have a wonderful week. I'm looking forward to your papers, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and I hope you had a wonderful Memorial Day holiday. Good night.